Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you the all-new FPV high-speed race car. Now this was actually sent over by our sponsors at Air Hogs. For your very own, check out their link down below. Now this here is actually a unique RC car in which it has a built-in camera, but it's actually connected to an FPV in which you can actually see it live stream as you drive. So it actually makes you feel like you're in the passenger seat, or the driver's seat in this case. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open it up and take a closer look. Now, the box itself looks really nice. It does show the RC car itself. It almost looks like an Indy 1 race car. I love the actual stripes on it itself, and it does show the FPV here in the corner. It's got some nice looking checkered flags. It says it has a wide angle lens so you can actually see everything as you drive. It's got precision steering, so it should kind of turn on the dime. Then it's got a live video streaming in which you can actually record and see it later as well. Now on the back here, kind of shows the car again, just kind of like mentioning that it has 120 degrees of field view, as well as front and rear LED lights, a high speed that mimics up to 160 miles per hour at the actual frame rate itself, and it's got crash resistant bumpers so you can actually take a good beating. So the way it works with the first person is literally just kind of slide your phone or your tablet itself onto the FPV itself so you can actually see what it's doing at the same time, in which it kind of you can go ahead and record it and watch it later as well. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right. Oh, that looks pretty cool. So let's go ahead and slide this out here. All right, so here we have the instruction manual, which kind of describes the car itself and how to set it up and whatnot. So it's really straightforward in terms of charging goes. You just go ahead and plug and play. Then you download the app itself to record from the FPV of the actual car itself. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Okay, that's our car. And then we have this. Alright, so this here's our car, and these here are Fpv glasses. I have to admit, it's kind of hard to see anything out of it. Obviously, you do have to mount your phone on this. So let's just go ahead and take this off for now. Now, the car itself looks really nice. Wow, it's actually got a few different materials on here. So you got a nice looking rubber compound in terms of the tires go. Got a nice looking spoiler as well as a cool looking camera as well. I see some LEDs on the front as well as on the back here. It's got an on and off switch on the bottom. And that's pretty straightforward in terms of the car itself. It's got a very nice, sleek, low appearance to it, so it's definitely a racer. Our control itself looks really standard in terms of forward as well as turning goes. And then our actual FPV itself kind of just opens up like that, and then you put your phone right here, and then you just close it, and you're ready to race. So with that being said, let's go ahead and give it a test ride. Alright, so we're all set and ready to go. I'm going to actually show you guys what I'm seeing here. So we just go ahead and switch views. We can actually see the car itself. All I do is click this button here, and by pressing this button here, it will actually allow me to toggle and switch between both views. So the camera will actually see me at the same time, and for instance, if I get lost, I just switch back. I'm like, oh, there's the car. So let's see how this works. So first I can just drive it just like this, looking at it, or I can go ahead and switch the camera view and do first person. I mean, like, how sick is that? Obviously it does take to get some getting used to because it's a little bit of a different kind of feeling, but overall it's actually really cool and very unique. Almost feels like I'm playing a video game. Now for instance, like the car seems like it's getting stuck there, okay. And like if I don't know where it is, I can just switch the views and I'll be like, oh, the car is right over there. So let me just go back here and kind of drive it. Oh! Yeah, so, you know, obviously the first person view does get a little confusing at times, but overall, that's really cool. Whoa, that's actually pretty fast. You can actually see how fast the car is going at the same time. Look at that. And on the bottom left or bottom right of the view, you can actually see it the first person view as well at the same time. Whoa. But yeah, you know, it's actually pretty interesting stuff here. So let's just switch back there. There we go. And then you can actually see, where's this? Yeah, there I am. Hey guys. So, you know, definitely a very unique aspect nonetheless. Now, overall, it's actually a lot of fun just kind of driving it around. The car itself is really cool looking. Almost looks like a race car, like an F1 kind of car. And the way it handles isn't that bad. I mean, the more you do it, the easier it gets. Obviously, the further you go away, you know, the reception won't be as good. But, you know, hey, it's Cosmo. And then, you know, it just depends on the way you drive it, that's all. Imagine having a few of these would be a lot of fun to race against your friends. See, as you can see right there, the camera kind of switched off, and
Yeah, so the battery just died.
Alright, well there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you had any questions about this car, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye bye.